Hi again, this is Rick with AmazingAccuracy.com, and today is July 27th, 2018. It's currently 9:37 p.m. Chicago time. Okay, I'm going to consider this an important forecast for the S&P 500 tonight. As we just concluded week ending 7/27, I'm taking a look at the daily chart right now, as you can see before you here. It's the weekly chart that's caught my attention. And so I want to draw your attention to this week, which is right here. You can see that it is an overbought territory. That would be this green area right here. And it occurred 1 week beyond the expectation date right here. Well, as long as it happens within one price bar of this forecast right here, we're golden. And right now we have this week ending 7/27. That's this week. And we can see the high just maxed out right here at the top of this short term, this 8-week overbought zone right here. And it's happening within 1 week or one bar of this red diamond that you see here. This is significant. Then, of course, the indicators are all in overbought territory. Everything looks primed here. So what this is telling me is to expect this to become a weekly swing top. And a weekly swing top is a price bar that has got a high that's higher than the previous one or more bars, and will be followed by price bars that do not make a higher high, but instead start moving lower. This would be a swing top once that occurs. So I expect that to start next week for prices to continue lower below this week's low, confirming the week we just concluded right now, this price bar week ending 7/27, to be a weekly swing top. On the daily chart, we can see that on 7/25 right here actually made that weekly high for last week, which would be the potential weekly swing top high if we get the confirmation, which I expect we will. Then today, prices ticked a little bit above yesterday, but not higher than the weekly high, putting it in position to become what's called a lower swing top. So we have this here, which is a confirmed daily, because this is a daily chart. You can see the D right there. This was confirmed as a daily swing top because prices have moved lower than since putting in that high. But it ticked just a little bit above yesterday's high, but just not high enough to take this out, to set this price bar up as a potential lower daily swing top. So this too has an opportunity to become a swing top, and I think it will likely occur. One major reason, again, is because we're expecting that high to hold right here, that 7/25 high, as we just noted here on this weekly chart. We expect this to become a weekly swing top, which means we expect that high to hold. What does that mean for traders? Well, definitely you don't want to be long because prices are not likely. The probability runs 85, 90% probability that prices will not go above this high of 7/25 without first starting to move lower to confirm that weekly swing top as we saw on the weekly chart. And in this case here, we have the probability of this price bar here confirming as a lower swing top because it's within this daily FDate right here. Now, granted, price could rise and still confirm a swing for this prediction here because it does have a lower low and it's a potential swing bottom as well, because that's called an outside bar. However, because everything is weighing heavily on this being a weekly swing top, I'm favoring that this will be a lower swing top here. In other words, we start looking for prices to move lower overall from this high area that has been formed this week. And of course, we see indicators here. We're already coming out of the overbought here because of this little dip. And we can possibly break down below the MACD 0 line here as well, which would be a cross down. So there's a lot of indications favoring the S&P going lower. Okay, well, that is the forecast for the S&P 500 for now. Again, look for a high probability weekly swing top to confirm for last week's price bar, or this week's price bar, I should say, that just ended today, Friday. This is one weekly, 1 week of trading here for each one of these price bars. Okay. So anyway, if you haven't done so already, please subscribe, give me a like if you like this forecast, and check out my website at amazingaccuracy.com. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.